Hello users. Today we're going to learn how to create an SMS template with variables, map these variables with attributes, and explore the various features available in the SMS template manager. In the dashboard section, you'll find a search bar where you can search for any template by its name. Additionally, you can utilize the filters to sort templates by sender ID or SMS type. After applying any filter and clicking the Save button, hit Apply to view the filtered results. On the dashboard, you'll find details like template name, its type, the DLT entity ID, template ID, sender ID, chosen language, and the action button. If you wish to create a new template, click on the Add New Template button. Enter the template name, choose the desired SMS type, select the template language, and enter the template content. It's important to note that the number here indicates how many messages your template will be delivered in. The character limit for one SMS is 160 characters. If the content exceeds this, it will be sent in 2 SMS or more. For more information, refer to the tooltip. Also, ensure the SMS content matches exactly with the SMS template registered with the TLT portal. Next, map the entity ID with the sender ID and enter the DLT template ID. After verifying the details, you can test this template by clicking the Test Template button. The details will be pre-filled and you'll need to map the variables provided in the content. Click on the Add Variable button to do this. Map the same number of variables as they are passed in the content. For example, if 2 variables are passed in the content, map exactly 2 variables and provide a custom value. This custom value is required when contact mapping is incomplete or any parameter is missing from your audience list. This default value will be passed. You'll need to follow the same procedure for the second variable. Now enter a number to test this template. You can test this template for a maximum of 2 users. Once you've entered the number and clicked on Send Test SMS, the test SMS will be delivered to the provided number. By clicking on this User Plus button, you can enter another number as well. Once your test template is verified with all the details and the desired output, click on Add Template. Your template will be saved. Now let's map it while creating an SMS campaign. Go to the SMS campaign creation page, enter the campaign name, choose the SMS type, select the audience, and now the templates. Now select the template, click on Select Template. You can either select a pre-made template over here or manually create a template. Simply provide the necessary details. Map the sender ID, map the DLT template ID, select the language, and enter the content. Here, you can also check the number of SMS in which your content will be sent. You'll need to map the same number of variables that you've provided in the template content. Use a variable name and match it with the matching attributes. You can add a custom attribute if you want and a default value for it, which will be passed when any parameter is missing. Since there are 2 variables in the content, you need to match exactly the same number of variables. Repeat the procedure for the second variable, match it with the respective attribute, and pass a default value for it. This is how the template matching process works. Once you click on Send a Test SMS, the details will be pre-filled for you. Similarly, you can map the variables in the same way you provided in the link. Once you enter the number and hit send, your message will be sent. This concludes our guide on how to create an SMS template and how to map it with the corresponding variable in the SMS campaign. Thank you for watching.